drama. No extra pepper.
That is such a cool video. I know you yourself can generate video just like this. Hey everybody, welcome to my Majestic Video Plus channels today. Thank you so much for joining in with me. Listen, I want you to watch these videos all the way to the end because I am going to be sharing implementation strategies of how you can use just 2 AI tools in getting this done. Without further talking, let's dive right into it. I'm going to be sharing my screen with you and walk you through it. Let's go, guys. So, I'm at my desktop right now, okay? So we're gonna go straight to ChatGPT, okay? I want you to type in ChatGPT. So I'm at my Google right now, okay? You type in ChatGPT because we're gonna use ChatGPT to actually create us this prompt, okay, guys? So this is the ChatGPT, okay? I already have ChatGPT open for me because I'm already working on my laptop. So I started with a general like a little information to ChatGPT that I want them to create me this prompt. I wanted to perfect this little idea that I have in my head about a viral video of a rice, and it was, about to fall on this character. Okay, GPT. So you're gonna come to this box here. This chat box here. It says ask anything, and then you're gonna type in. So what I did, I type in because I was already working on some stuff already. So I said further to that character, I want ChatGPT. So you're pretty much gonna say, tell ChatGPT that you want this character to have or to be running from a giant falling jollof rice that is flashing towards her as she runs towards the camera. Because I want this character to come running in towards the camera, not away from the camera or not in the middle way. Okay. And the setting is the indoor room. Okay. You can decide to be in a beach or in a kitchen or in the bedroom. You tell them where you want this character to be. For me, I want this to be in just an indoor room. Okay. And now I press enter. So you press the enter box, and ChatGPT pretty much is very fast. It's very, very fast, guys. So it comes out and, give his own recommendation, his own prompt. Okay. And this prompt, this is what it generated for me based on my own, little idea that I gave to him. Okay. So ChatGPT gave me this prompt. Okay. And this prompt is what I'm gonna highlight here. And I'm gonna highlight it all the way down. Copy it. Okay, guys. You can take this prompt to a notepad. Okay. Take it to a notepad. Do some grammar check on it or tweak it a little bit, however you want it to be. For me, I actually take this right away to Google Veo 3. Okay, so for Google Veo 3, we're gonna come to Google here. Let's take this ChatGPT away and let's put in Google Veo 3, which is now 3.1. So I type in Google Veo 3, which is Google Veo 3.1, and you press enter, and it brings you right here. I want you to look for Google Lab. That's the link that you want to click on. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna add this link to this description of this video in the description box of this video. So don't worry. So for me here, as you can see, there's different kinds of Google Flow. I want you to select the lab one, which is the first one here. It's gonna bring you to this interface right here. Mind you, if this is your first time actually using this, you will have to register. Using your Google or Gmail account, you will need that to register. So it comes to this interface right here. And in this interface, you see the different options. So So using this pretty much is free for the first month, as you can see right here. It's free. After that, then it comes, I believe, is about $26, depending on where you are, per month. So you need to, it will give you 1,000 points with this free one. Okay. Well, 1,000 is a lot of credits, 1,000 credits. However, each of the video you generated is actually 20 credits. Okay. So depending on how much you use it or how often you use it, you can deplete it so fast. After that, if you decide not to renew it, it will be 100 credit every month that will be given to you. Okay. If you decide not to renew. But for me, I already use it. I'm already on it. So I will go to this interface. So when you click, create with flow right here, it will take you to this interface right here. This is my account here. I already logged myself in with my Gmail. Yes, I do have nothing left here because I already depleted my credit, like I said. So I will be showing you from what I have had done. So this is what I have had done. So remember the prompt that I told you that we're gonna select from ChatGPT that it created for us. We selected that prompt right here. We copy everything, right? You copy everything here all the way down. Copy that prompt. Now you take that prompt all the way to Google Veo 3.1. Right here, there's this interface, this chat box. You want to paste that prompt there. Like I said, I've been working on this, so I have something already started. This is it. This is what I put there. Now, and take this prompt to a notepad to perfect it, to tweak it a little bit, to edit out some grammar, like whichever way you want it to do. It's best to work on the notepad, and then you come here and paste it here. Okay. So I already worked on this. I changed the character to a name. I like to name my subject, the characters of my prompts. I like to name them. Um, I already named the character. I already, make some changes that I want it to be a close up, not a far shot. So this is just the same prompt. Yes, from ChatGPT. I just took it a little bit. Let me just read it quickly from the beginning. A hyper realistic cinematic video of Ula. Ula is the character inside a modern indoor room with a warm lighting and glossy tile floors. The camera opens with Ula looking back in shock as a massive wave of jollof rice busts through a kitchen doorway. Okay, so you grab the idea. So ChatGPT perfect this prompt for me. I take it to the notepad, I took it a little bit, and I brought it over here. Okay, you paste it right here. Now, I want to bring your attention to this. When you're here in this interface here, when you click on this arrow here, as you can see this arrow, text to video, it's taking this prompt, put it in this chat box here, and it will generate you the video. Okay. I'm sure you guys already know that I mentioned that I have a character. I already described the character. You can just tell ChatGPT to even give you a character that looks in a certain way with a certain features, wearing certain thing, and this text to video will give you that description of that character. Okay, but I selected the frame to a video because I want a picture of myself in this video. Okay, I want this AI to generate a AI video of myself in this video, so I click the frame to a video. Okay, and when you click a frame to a video, you have to add the picture. That's where this plus sign is here. So you're gonna click that plus sign and select a picture, okay, of yourself or of any character that you please. The third one here is the ingredient to a video, which in my opinion, is the same as a frame to a video. Okay. Ingredients, like the picture, you want to add the picture, you're going to add the settings of idea setting of what you want. You want to add the clothing. That's what the ingredient to a video. So you are bringing all of these different condiments into this picture, into this video, and Veo 3.1 will create your video based on those condiments. Okay. However, I'm picking the middle one, which is frame to a video. Let's go over to the right side here. Here, you can select the aspect ratio, okay? Whether you want a portrait or a landscape. Landscape for the YouTube, long videos. I selected the 9:16 ratio because I want to be able to create a short videos that I can use for later on, pretty much. So that's why I selected the portrait option. Okay, so let's go over here, which is the output. You can select the number of videos that you want this AI to generate for you. If you're starting out, like I said before in my previous video, it's best to do at least 3 videos, okay? So that way you can have options, okay, guys? When one is not working or is not close to perfection, at least you have something else to select for, because this AI is not 100% perfect, okay? But as time goes on, you're able to understand how to whether you want to gamble with 1 or 2, but if you're starting out, it's good to start up with at least 3. And like I said before, each of this video is 20 credits, okay? So it's 20 credits. It goes by pretty much fast. And I understand that you might want to be mindful of how you use it, okay? All right. So you select the number of output you want. Then down at the bottom here is the model that you like, whether it be Veo 3.1 fast. I think you should select the Veo 3.1 fast because it makes your video to talk, to lip sync to the words. Okay. This one's here just animated the video, the image. Doesn't make your video to talk. Okay. The one that make your video to talk is the Veo 3.1, which used to be Veo 3.0. So they just changed this, okay? Not too long ago. So you want to select the first one, which is the fast, okay? Once you do that, okay, then we can come down and, remember you already put on your prompt. After you have perfected on the notepad, you trick it as you want. You put it right here, you paste it. Then you now ready to enter, which is the arrow button here. You click enter. And this takes very fast, okay, guys? Couple of seconds, depending on how fast your internet is. And this is what it generated for me already. Like I said, I've been working on this before. I don't want to create another one. This is what I have here, okay? This is the massive jollof rice that was falling. I won't be able to play this because I'm already doing a screen recording. The whole idea of this pretty much is just to grab the attention of your people that are watching online. So I want to share this prompt with you free of charge. Please, it's free of charge. Take it, tweak it. You can use it for your business. I want us to succeed in this content creation. You yourself, as well as an entrepreneur, I want you to succeed as well. Okay, take this prompt. I'm gonna put it in another video under somewhere there. Watch out for it because I can't add it to this description below. It's gonna be too long, too much. But I believe you know what? I'm gonna share it under the post section. That's what I'm gonna share it at. So look out for it. And other prompts as well that I think that you can benefit from. Okay, guys, listen, we are all in this together. If you have any other ideas, any ways that you can, help somebody else, put it down in the comment section there. Let's all grow together, basically. Okay, guys, I want us to all grow together. And that is the purpose of me sharing or doing this video. I will be sharing other AI tools that are actually free. It's not just this Google Veo 3.1. There are other tools as well. That's why I told you to create yourself a AI wallet. Put all those things there. So at the end of the day, you have the ones that works for you, the one that doesn't. You can edit it as you go on. Okay. you're gonna be successful when you start implementing these things, when you start, organizing yourself. Okay. Thank you so much for listening in. Remember, the only way you can support me is by subscribing, turning on the notification so you know when I drop another video. Okay, guys? And I will see you on my next one for sure. All right, guys. Thank you for tuning in to the end. Well, there you have it. Majestic Video Plus is so glad that you watched this to the end. Let me see you in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification button. I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.